If you use a gun for protection, you are accountable for every bullet you fire, including the round you fire after the threat is stopped. Under the stress of a self-defense shooting, both police and armed citizens often keep firing after stopping the threat. It's documented. It happens to good people with good intentions, and it could happen to you. That is why I built this.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Taylor with Defenders and Disciples, and I'm super excited today because we're using a device that I've been developing over the past year. This is the Defenders and Disciples Behavioral Optical Decision Device, or the Dadbodd. I'm a Marine veteran, former cop, and mechanical engineer. And throughout my time in the military and law enforcement, I noticed a training gap, and so I sought to use my engineering background to solve it. And that's what this device does. Rather than an auditory beep like a typical shot timer, this projects a stimulus onto the target. So not only are you having to focus on the threat, but it also tells you when to start shooting as well as when to stop shooting. Because we always say that we shoot to stop the threat, but we rarely train to stop shooting when the threat stops. This device solves that. So the Dadbodd projects a stimulus onto the target to tell you when to start shooting, and then when the laser goes away, that tells you to stop shooting. And then it displays your shots fired during the stimulus, as well as shots fired after the stimulus, with the respective times and split times for each.
It includes 3 modes. The first is Dadbodd mode. In this mode, you can have it randomly fire the laser and keep the laser on for a random amount of time, or have an instructor or training partner manually laze the target, so you are reading the threat and not running a script. Then there's also shot timer mode, which does everything a normal shot timer does, but it also flashes the laser as a visual start, so a hearing impaired shooter can run it too. And finally, it also pairs with the Mantis X system for dry fire, so you can train at home in dry fire the same way you train in live fire.
And over the last year, I've been sending out prototypes to instructors all over the country, getting their feedback and understanding what works and what doesn't work. And all of that feedback has led to this version that we're launching on Kickstarter.
The first backers lock in the lowest price it will ever sell for. So pick your reward below and decide to train to a higher standard.